Hare Krishna. Many of you were asking me that how I manage my time so effectively. Doing all the spiritual activities and along with that, not compromising any single material responsibility. I am doing job, I am doing my studies, and I always stood amongst top 5 students, and I am the topper of my class 5 times. So how is this possible for me to do all these things? In this video, you will get to know my top secret time management strategies. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm here on my Excel sheet, and here we will write our roles and responsibilities. And for giving example, I am writing my roles and responsibilities here. So for example, chanting 16 rounds. The activities may be spiritual or material. We have to write both. Chanting 16 rounds because we are making a time management strategy, so we have to write both activities. Chanting 16 rounds, it's our priority. Time management is about priority management. So as a devotee, we give priority to our spiritual things, but we do not compromise our material activity. So that's important. And yes, chanting 16 rounds, reading Srila Prabhupada books, these things we have to do daily. I have 3 channels to manage: Krishna Bandhu, Krishna Prasadam, and Artistic Purti. So I have already told that time management is about priority management. So I give priority to Krishna Bandhu first. Krishna Bandhu, then Krishna Prasadam, and then comes Artistic Purti. So my priority is Krishna Bandhu. And here my roles and responsibilities are, I have to make a Wednesday video. Then on Saturday we have a video. On Sunday we have lectures, so Sunday lecture, and sometime I record the Bhagavad Gita videos. Reading session is there. Sometimes we have meetings in Krishna Bandhu. Meetings most probably happen on Sunday. So meetings, and here comes the Krishna Prasadam. On this channel, I daily upload a video, and then comes Artistic Purti. On this channel, I have to shoot Srila Prabhupada book summary videos. So summary video we can write. Summary video, shoot, and after shooting I have to edit that video, and then publish it. Most probably our video comes on Saturday. Saturday. So I have work on Saturday, and then on Wednesday come to the material responsibilities, which is doing the job, and college studies, and competitive exam studies. So these are some of the examples of the activities which I do. Now let's take another sheet and make the points categorized. Okay, and here let's write the day names. Okay, first is Monday. Let's make it bold and in center. For Monday, for example, chanting, the timing of chanting is 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. What we can do is, because keeping our body healthy is also our responsibility, so in this time we can exercise, or we can take a walk. Whatever you can do for keeping your body healthy, you can do here. And in this time we can study as well. So I used to study 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I used to get ready for my office. So usually it takes me 30 to 45 minutes to reach my office. That's why I have almost 1 hour. So in this 1 hour I'll be traveling, and in the traveling time I can read Srila Prabhupada books, right? In this time I can also listen to lectures. So it is up to me that I would like to read books. So here everything is flexible. I can read Srila Prabhupada books, or I can listen to the lectures if any remaining. Okay, so and then the office timing would be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So I would be there only learning and doing things there. So again it comes the reading. I have now time by 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. and I have 5 hours to do whatever I want. In this time I can do my college studies, uploading videos, maybe on Krishna Bandhu, on Krishna Prasadam, or on Artistic Purti, and I can edit video in that time, and I can learn more about my job. Okay, this is the general schedule which can be used every day, but there are some more points like hearing kirtans, planning ekadashis, japa talk, hearing Guru Maharaj lectures and japa talks, calling devotees, managing groups and chats, solving their queries, and projects and assignments, meetings, reading sessions, etc. There are some more points which has to be done on a daily basis or which has to be done on special days. So according to that we can manage. So through this video you have got an idea that how you can manage your time. So the first point is writing down all the activities, all the roles and responsibilities that you have to do. After writing, your mind is clear that you have to do all these activities on a daily basis. So first point is writing down all the activities, roles and responsibilities. Second point is categorizing them, how you can divide the activities day wise, you can write them. And third point, this is the bonus point, third most important point is you can use to-do list and alarms. So how a to-do list can work? You can make a to-do list a day before of the activities you have to do the other day, and you can set up alarms. Alarms would help you a lot. When you set an alarm, you will remember everything you have to do. And yes, this is how I manage my time, and I am 100% sure that these 3 points will help you a lot for managing your time as well. And you can manage your time more effectively when you have set your goals. So I hope you all have set your goals, and if you want me to make another video on how to set goals for devotees, so you can comment below and I will surely make a video on that. Until then, Hare Krishna.